We know TCU students love their sports and we wanted to see how much.
We went out and surveyed TCU students to see if the proportion of the TCU population was greater than 90% who follow TCU athletics.
So our original hypothesis is that the proportion of TCU students who follow TCU athletics is less than or equal to 90%. Now we're testing the hypothesis that the true proportion of TCU students who follow TCU athletics is greater than 90%. To do this, we surveyed 100 TCU students and 96 of them said that they follow TCU athletics. So our p-hat is equal to 0.96. From there, we calculated our z-star. So doing that, we did 0.96 minus 0.9 divided by the square root of 0.9 times 0.1 divided by 100. So that worked out to be 2. We did this by doing p-hat minus the proportion in our hypothesis divided by the square root of the proportion in our hypothesis times 1 minus p divided by our sample size, which was 100. And like I said, that came out to 2. The critical value of z-star for alpha equals 0.05 is 1.65. And since our z-score ended up above that, we can conclude that we can support H1, that the proportion of TCU students who follow TCU athletics is greater than 90%. But we know that students aren't always truthful in these surveys. So to see what they said, we sent out our favorite analyst.
What do you think about TCU baseball being ranked number 1?
I think that's pretty insane. Sounds pretty cool to say. We're like the Alabama of baseball.
Killing me, Sloss!
Did you watch any basketball this year?
Yeah, a lot.
How do you think our team did?
Pretty well.
Do you think Gary Patterson did a good job coaching?
I do.
Were you surprised that he was able to coach both the football and basketball team at the same time?
Do you follow TCU athletics?
Oh, yes.
What conference are we in?
Oh, we're in the SEC.
How do you feel about Trayvon Boykin starting in the fall?
He's doing pretty well, so I think we should continue playing him.
Wellman beat Federer in the Australian Open.
Yeah, I was actually talking about, I guess that's some newer news.
Fake news. It's fake, phony, fake.